Ladies and gentlemen, สวัสดีครับ Namaskar. On behalf of the Royal Thai Consulate-General in Kolkata, I'm very excited to share with you our latest project, which is the exhibition about Rabindranath Tagore's visit to Siam or Thailand in 1927. Did you know that Gurudev Rabindranath Tagore, or in Thai, Rabindranath Tagore, was a fan of our country? Actually, back in those days, Tagore was the first eminent personality, internationally renowned, who have come from India to visit our kingdom of the East, following which many cultural revivals and exchanges took place. This visit lasted only 2 weeks, but its impact was far more long-lasting. Rabindranath Tagore, in the course of these few weeks, managed to reinvigorate the cultural and people-to-people linkages between our two civilizations. He was granted a royal audience with His Majesty King Prachadipok or King Rama VII. And also, he met with numerous princes and high-ranking officials in the center of the Siamese politics, following which a lot of exchanges were recorded, documented, and perpetuated subsequently until nowadays. During his stay in Siam, Rabindranath Tagore delivered speeches and remarks on a great many occasions to illustrate his vision on humanity and his solidarity with the civilizations of the East, including the civilizations of India and Siam or Thailand. Gurudev Rabindranath Tagore traveled to many iconic places around Bangkok, especially Thai Buddhist temples. This is because he was curious to rediscover Buddhism, which originated from India, and to see how it has been transformed and flourished in this kingdom of the East. This is part of his deep motivations as to why he decided to visit Thailand or Siam at that time during his world tour. Tagore also visited a number of historical remnants in Ayutthaya and Lopburi province so as to find out more about the historical journey the Siamese or Thai people have been through in order to become a Hindu-inspired Buddhist kingdom as we are today. We also have here an entire section dedicated to visits and exchanges between Thailand and India far beyond Rabindranath Tagore's visit to Siam in 1970. Especially, we have here the recounting of Her Royal Highness Princess Mahachakri Sirinthorn's visit to Kolkata and Jorasanko Thakur Bari, the House of Tagore, in 2014, which has so far been the most recent high-level visit from Thailand to India, which is in relation to Rabindranath Tagore's hometown, Kolkata. Many more details are awaiting discovery by our dear friends. May I remind you that this exhibition is the fruit of laborious work elaboration by the Royal Thai Consulate-General in Kolkata. The showpieces of this exhibition are to be permanently displayed at the Thai Gallery at Jorasanko Thakur Bari, Rabindra Bharati Museum under Rabindra Bharati University in the near future. As of now, long live to the Thai-Indian cultural relations. Joy Thailand, Joy Bangla. Thank you. ธนบัตรขอบคุณครับ